I have cooked carnivore almost every single day for 4 years. And before buying this HexClad pan, I destroyed pan after pan after pan. Cheap coatings, warped bottoms, sticking, peeling, replacing them over and over again until I finally found one that could actually keep up with how I cook. Hi, I'm Steve, and welcome to another down-home Cleancarnivore video. When you think about it, cooking every single meal at home is very different from occasionally making dinner a couple of nights a week. This isn't a hobby for me anymore. This is how I live. I lost over 100 pounds changing the way I eat, what I eat, and when I eat. And now I cook almost every meal myself. Steaks, well, actually steak shapes, the ones without names. I buy bulk meat and I break it down myself. That means that my cookware gets a real-life stress test that most reviewers never give it. If this video has given you even a little help, do yourself and your channel a favor and hit like and subscribe so that this message can reach the folks who truly need it. Because as you know, there are a lot of tired, discouraged people out there quietly struggling with food, weight, exhaustion, cravings, and even hopelessness. Maybe together we can help a few of them realize that they are not alone. You can come back here for new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And if you'd like to have help getting started, hit the link below and grab your free copy of the Carnivore Starter Pack. Simple, practical, beginner-friendly. Now, pull up a chair because a lot of folks have been asking me what pan I actually use every day. Truth is, this HexClad pan gets used constantly. Some days, yeah, multiple times a day. And honestly, after 4 years, that still surprises me because most ordinary nonstick pans I've owned didn't last very long at all. This one still looks almost brand new when it's cleaned up. Think about that for a minute. 4 years of high heat, butter, tallow, steaks, daily cooking, and constant use. That matters too. Now, HexClad has been endorsed by Gordon Ramsay, and honestly, after cooking with it every day for 4 years, I completely understand why. The heat is solid, the cleanup is simple, and for somebody living this lifestyle, daily, simple cleanup matters more than people realize, especially when cooking becomes part of your everyday rhythm. Now, if any of this is resonating with you, you've already been thinking about upgrading your cookware, I'll put a link below. And honestly, this is probably the best window for you to do it because HexClad is currently running their summer sale with discounts up to 50% off site-wide through June 8. Now, I want to be completely transparent about something because I've seen it mentioned in reviews before. Some people don't love the handle shape. Fair enough. I actually don't mind it at all. And yes, HexClad changed their coating formula a while back, which also got some people talking. But speaking only for myself, after 4 years of real daily carnivore cooking, this pan has held up better than almost anything else I've owned. That's the simple truth, and honestly, I've reached the point in life where I'd rather buy one quality pan that lasts than replacing cheaper pans over and over again. That's actually more expensive. That's not merely about cookware, that's peace. Simple tools, simple meals, simple cleanup, less frustration, that matters. Then if you'll excuse me, I've probably got another steak waiting, one peaceful meal at a time. And remember, if you like this video, be neighborly, share it with a friend.